Hello everyone, so this is a 2003 Volkswagen Passat 1.9 TDI. We paid £331.32 including fees for this car, and we are going to do a video. It's looking a bit sorry for itself, with a bit of plastic trim missing there, very dirty, wheels dirty. We're going to do a video on how we can transform this car and show you how much we spent and the end result. It's a really good driving car actually. You can see the bumpers a bit tatty there. It's just a tatty car. We're going to see what we can do just to bring it back to life, sell it on, and hopefully someone will get a good car. It's from 208,000 miles, really grubby inside. So we're going to see what we can do with this one. MOT'd until November, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's see how we get on with this car. Alright, thanks for watching.